Hi everyone, I'm back. This video is about the woodworking and wood finishing station. In this video, we will go over the station curriculum and what to do at your station. There are different projects assigned to each grade level. Keep in mind, not all the pictures shown are from camp, so the kids' projects may look a little different. We'll start with Pixies. The project for Pixies is bug boxes. This will take about 30 minutes to build and 30 to decorate. Pixies can decorate their creations using stickers. First graders will construct a catapult. This typically takes 30 minutes to build and 30 to decorate. Second graders make toolboxes, which takes 30 minutes to build and an hour to decorate. Third graders will work on their bat boxes for 30 minutes and will decorate their creations for 60 minutes. Bat boxes will be painted black and have a bit of netting so that they will attract bats. Fourth graders will create a birdhouse. This takes 60 minutes to build and an hour to decorate. Fifth graders will then make their lab desks. These will take an hour to construct and another hour to decorate. Sixth graders will make backpack chairs. This takes 60 minutes to build and an hour to decorate. The boys unit will work on different projects depending on their age. As we mentioned before, the younger kids will use stickers, while the older ones will paint their work of art. Make sure to keep an eye on the kids so that they don't hurt themselves. Pick up nails that were dropped on the floor. During your time at camp, you will prepare the tools the girls will use, teach them how to make their projects, and lend a helping hand or help explain what to do when they're having trouble. Distribute paint, and overall have a fun and safe time at camp. These are all relatively simple projects with instructions provided. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at camp!